Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take a look at problem number 6 from your integration by parts assignment, just to see if we can figure out a good way to do this. So I'm not going to assume that it's integration by parts until I try to distribute. Well, I can't distribute because this expression x plus 1 is all taken to the 1/2 power. And it actually might be easier before I even start to just go ahead and write this to the 1/2 power. So you can see I cannot distribute this. Okay, so that would be nice. So the next thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just try regular u substitution. And I know that if I have a base to a power, I can try the rule, the integral of u to the n du. And that's u to the n plus 1, n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So let's see if we can try that. So let's let u be equal to x plus 1, and then du is going to be equal to dx. So let's try to rewrite this as the integral of, and let's see what we have. Let's just try u to the n du. So u to the n would be 1/2, and then du. So let's go back and check what I have. So u to the 1/2 would take care of x plus 1 to the 1/2. My du takes care of my dx. So actually what I have left over is x. And so this is one of those ones where we can solve this little equation that we got for x. And we can say that x is actually equal to u minus 1. And then we can come down here and just write u minus 1. Very small. And then what we can do is we can actually distribute now. What we wanted to do in our first step, we can actually do now. So we can say that this can be distributed, right? And then we get that this is just equal to the integral. U times u to the 1/2 would be equal to u to the 3/2, add exponents, minus u to the 1/2, and then du. And then we can just go ahead and take the antiderivative of both of these separately. So this would be u to the add 1 would be 5/2 divided by 5/2 minus add 1 again. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2 over 3/2 plus c. And then we can just go ahead and back substitute. So u is equal to x plus 1. So this would be 2/5 times x plus 1 to the 5/2 minus 2/3 times x plus 1 to the 3/2 plus c. So you actually don't have to do integration by parts on that one. It's actually much easier to just go ahead and do a u substitution if you make sure that you pay attention to this little add-on that you need to do where you need to solve for x. So keep that in mind. Integration by parts is much more difficult on this one. You can do it, but it's much, much easier to do a u substitution with just a little bit of an extra step.